Jack Chapman with Auto Repair Shop Success. Today I'd like to talk to you about staffing. Now, I talk to a lot of shops that don't know whether they're overstaffed or understaffed. I also talk to guys who are afraid to hire and some who are afraid to promote some of their underperformers to customer. The biggest issue I see during these talks is that they have no formula or basis on which they actually set those staffing pars for the shop. And at the end of the day, you need a plan. You have to have a direction to set that compass to. So over the next few weeks, I'm going to give you basic staffing par formulas. We're going to base them on your sales targets. Comment below what you're doing to set pars at your shop, and join us over the next 3 weeks on our channels as we go over the main 3 positions in our shop and how to set pars for them. I can't wait to see you.